Consider a closed surface S surrounding a volume V. If r bar is the position vector of the point inside S, with n cap as the unit normal on S, the value of the integral over a closed surface S 5 r bar dot n cap dot ds is. The options given are 3, 5, 10, 15. Okay. We are supposed to find integral over a closed surface 5 r bar dot n cap dot ds. This integral we should find. Okay. For this, first of all, what is r bar? R bar is the position vector. See, r bar is given as the position vector. What is the position vector? R bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zj k cap. Okay, this is the position vector. For solving these type of problems, we cannot solve the closed intervals like integral over a closed curl, this one, or integral over a closed surface. These are difficult to solve. So there are two theorems which convert these into directly into normal integration. Those theorems are to be used. First theorem says Stokes theorem. It says integral over a closed contour some vector v dot dl we want is equal to integral over a surface S, not a closed surface, del cross v dot ds. Okay, means here the closed contour integration is converted into normal integration. Therefore we can do it very simply. Second theorem says divergence theorem. This theorem says integral over a closed surface v dot ds is equal to integral over a volume v del dot v dot dv. Okay. So by these two theorems, the closed integrations can be converted into open integrations, which can be solved very simple. Therefore we are asked to find what? Integral over a closed surface 5 r bar n cap dot ds. This surface should be converted into normal integral. So we use divergence theorem. So integral, they are asking integral over a closed surface 5 r bar dot n cap dot ds. This n cap dot ds are all not needed. Integral over a volume v, okay, and del dot 5 r bar dot dv. Okay. Therefore, what is del dot 5 r bar is the question. Del dot 5 r bar is equal to, what is del? Dou by dou x I cap plus dou by dou y j cap plus dou by dou z k cap. Okay. And r bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Del dot r bar is equal to dou by dou x with respect to x, it will give 1. This is because dou by dou x of first xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot I cap plus dou by dou y of same r bar I will be writing j cap plus dou by dou z of r bar into k cap. Using the fact that I cap dot I cap is what? 1 into cos 0 is 1. Therefore 1. And I dot j is how much? 1 into sin cos 90 is how much? 0. And I dot k equal to 0 again. Therefore, in this term, this will cancel and this will also get cancelled. K cap dot I cap, k cap, j cap dot I cap, and here only this will remain. Therefore, this becomes equal to dou by dou x of x I cap dot I cap is 1 plus here in the second term dou by dou y of here I j 0, j will become 1, kj will become 0. Therefore, only y will remain here. Plus dou by dou z of here I j will cancel with k and k cap dot k cap will remain. Therefore, z will come. Always use I cap dot I cap equal to 1, j cap dot j cap equal to 1, k cap dot k cap equal to 1. Therefore, this is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, this is how much? 5 into 3, 15 it became. Right, since 5 into del cap dot r cap I derived it as 3 is equal to 15. Now see, where are we here? Here, integral over a volume V 15, this is 15 dot dv is how much? 15 into integral over a volume V dv is how much? 15 V. Understood? Therefore, D is the correct option. Let's see the solution. First of all, whenever you are given some questions on closed surface integrals, you cannot solve with closed surface. So try to convert them into open intervals. There are two theorems for this. First theorem says Stokes theorem and here divergence theorem. Here for this question they asked in closed interval over a surface. Therefore use divergence theorem. And here first of all convert into in this form del dot 5 r bar. R bar is directly you should remember del dot r bar is 3. That is a very important result. Therefore 5 into 3 15. 15 into dv. Integral over a volume V dv is how much? V. Therefore 15V is the option. That's it.